a full tutorial on how you can order from CNFans. So you will need to open up the website or the app and create an account first. Once you have your account ready, let's choose an item that we want to order. So let's do a sweater here. Let's say that we want to get this one. So what we're going to do is either add it to cart or buy now. I'm going to click on buy now. It's going to show us the color choice in this case, as well as the size and quantity. So after you have chosen your color, size and quantity, you want to click on buy now. Here it's going to show you the total and all of the other information. So the delivery destination here, you want to choose your country which you are located in, and once you click on checkout here, it's going to show us the order payment. So country, you have to choose your a payment type here. So you can do debit, credit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Skrill. And once you fill out your information here, after you have chosen your payment method, you will click on buy now. So afterwards, it's going to take us to this new screen, which is going to ask us to pay the amount which we have to pay for the item. And you will go through the process and then type out your address and you will have it shipped. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.